Hello, this is the Computer Mentor, and today we're going to learn how to install YouTube Vanced on Android. Now you may be asking yourself, what is YouTube Vanced? Well, it's simple. YouTube Vanced is essentially YouTube Premium, but it's not exactly the same thing, because this one is just an app while YouTube Premium is a subscription. Now what are the features of YouTube Vanced, you ask? Well, great question. Here are the features of YouTube Vanced. First of all, you can get rid of all ads, and you can also play your videos in the background like you would music. And one more big thing is you can have a black theme in the app instead of the normal dark theme. So now let's get started. So navigate to the YouTube Vanced website. The link will be in the description. Go ahead and choose the dark or black theme, whichever one you would prefer. And then you're going to click download YouTube Vanced and Micro G. And then so now you're going to install Micro G. And while you're doing this, go ahead and go to the Play Store and install Split APKs Installer. That link will also be in the description. Now you're going to open up Split APKs Installer. You're going to press Install APKs. Now you're going to navigate to your Downloads folder. Now you're going to install YouTube Vanced. So now you're going to click Install, and then you're going to open up YouTube Vanced. Now this is where you sign in, and this is where Micro G comes into play. So you'll go ahead and you'll add an account, and you'll sign in using the Micro G service. Congratulations, you now have YouTube Vanced. Please remember to like and subscribe, as it helps out this channel greatly and allows me to bring out this helpful content. Adios.